Good evening, the old friend. Have a wonderful day. Please support my silent LS mga guys. Thank you for coming. My beloved idol, the native Igorota. Thank you very much, ma'am. The native Igorota. Thank you very much, ma'am. The native Igorota. Good evening, kapatid. Sabi ni ma'am native Igorota. Thank you very much, ma'am, for your coming and for your support to my silent LS for tonight. Gabayan ka naman palagi ng ating Panginoong Diyos. At sana ay unasin ng ating Panginoong Diyos ang lahat nating kapaguran sa buong maghapon. God bless you, Ma'am Native Gurota, and also to your whole family. Thank you for your support.